In the last video, we learned how to handle error gracefully using the special file error.TSX. However, not all errors are serious. Some can be fixed by try again. In this video, we'll explore how to recover from such error. Let's get started. The error function in the error.TSX file comes with the useful props as a reset function. Well, before this, we need first get the error text from the props. So for this task, I have an input name error, which of this type. Now here I write my error text. Here first rename my function to error boundary and export default. And now here error. And actually, you can write here my error message, and my error message come from here. And now we can have a reset function. We can destruct this function along with the error object. To make recovery possible on the client side, we'll convert our page.TSX to a client component by adding using client at the top of the file. So here use client. Okay, now and we can in the error.TSX we'll add a button triggering the reset function on click, providing a way to try rendering the component again. The button text will be, so I can here resets and here define type resets as a function, and also here can define a button. The button text will be try again here and right on click call reset function. Heading back to the browser and reloading until we encounter an error, we'll see the try again button alongside the error message. Yarn dev open localhost 3000 post 20 comments 1 reloading until hit the error. Okay, very well. We have an error here. Clicking the button renders the comments ID component if the random number is not 1, allowing us to recover from the error and loading the actual page. Now random number is not equal and here don't have a error. To summarize, executing the reset function attempts to render the error boundaries content. If successful, the fallback error component is replaced with the re-rendering content from page.TSX. This is how we recover from error in the new app router. Stay tuned for more on error handling in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel and I will see you in the next video and happy coding.